Hey everyone, welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio. I've got something super exciting for all you video editors out there. We're going to go amazing sound effects that are completely free and copyright free, perfect for your YouTube videos. Whether you're looking to enhance your vlogs, gaming videos, tutorials, or any other type of content, these sound effects will add that professional touch without any copyright hassles. Let's start all sound effects names show on video.
Nice.
Wow.
Three, two, one.
I hope you found these sound effects helpful. Now, I know you're eager to get your hands on these sounds. To download all sound effects, I've put together a special download link for you.